Today I'm going to show you how to modify your new Android device so that the power button on the side will allow you to turn off the phone instead of opening up Google Assistant. Let's do it. Hi everyone and welcome to Pal to Tech. Every time a new device or operating system comes out, some major way of controlling the device is changed. In the case of the Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, and the Android 12 operating system, the power button, located right here, no longer turns off the phone like it used to if you long press it. So this means that now if you long press the power button, it will open up Google Assistant. This is the exact same behavior that Apple forced on their users with the power button doing the same thing with Siri. So for Android users, what this means is that you need to now press both the power button and the volume up button together like this. And then you'll see the power off menu option right here. I find this really annoying, and I want the old way of easily turning off the phone put back to the power button. So here's how you do it. First, go into the settings of your phone and look for System. Go ahead and tap on that, and now look for Gestures. Tap on that, and look for Press and Hold Power Button. You see that right there? Go ahead and tap that, and turn off Hold for Assistant. Now the power button will work normally again. Check it out. If you ever want to put it back, just reverse the process that I showed you. Now, another method to turn off the phone with Android 12 is to do so from your quick settings. From the top of the home screen, you need to slide down the phone twice, like this. Once, twice. There it is right here. You see that? Tap. And that'll get you there as well. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it the like and subscribe. I will see you again very soon in another video. Take care.